Cancer, my water babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is a new opening, a new beginning, a new gift. Something else, one of your plants have been blossoming and you have been cultivating it, but now another one has blossomed because you're strong enough. You can be trusted to handle and juggle two great gifts at one time. Whatever your new idea is, I don't want to overwhelm you, but I want you to embrace this new opening, this new beginning, this new gift, this new talent that's radiating and letting you know, reminding you that I can do this. I can take this to the next level. When one door closes, I am confident another will open, and it will always be for my betterment. I accept things that life brings as far as challenges, and I acknowledge the opportunity to learn from what it presents to me. Serenity comes from within. When you step up to the challenge, you become wiser, you become stronger, therefore you can manifest and actually maintain and summon bigger blessings that you can't even imagine. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.